Hi, my name is Maria Appelqvist. I am here today with
Chris Cooper.
And we created this relationship intelligence wheel of understanding how you can thrive in relationships and create the intimacy and connection you truly long for. And there's many pieces to that, but we have learned through knowing each other now for almost 6 months, half a year, that there is certain sections you really need to pay attention to in order to create the depth and connection you truly long for. So I'm going to list them all, but I'm having an upcoming workshop online. So come to that one when you want to learn more. So let's start with one of the pieces.
Sex. Desire.
Desire.
Presence.
Presence. Attention.
Attention. What else do we have?
Void.
Void. There was a void there, a space.
We created that, yeah.
We did create that. Truth is another segment of the relationship intelligence wheel.
Yeah. And polarity.
Polarity, the masculine, feminine poles attracting.
Yeah. And the last one is practice. The importance to have the regularity of some kind of practice.
With your partner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was actually what brought us together, because we came from the experience of the same practice, orgasmic meditation, and that became a connection base for us.
Yeah.
Okay, so are you curious to learn more about all this? The online workshop is for you. See you there.
See you then.